Fix Interface, try these fixes in order. Pusher 1. Disable antivirus temporarily. Many antivirus programs automatically quarantine online fix files. Open Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection. Check protection history. Restore any deleted or quarantined game files. Add the entire game folder to exclusions. 2. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ packages. Missing runtime libraries can prevent the interface from loading. Install Visual C++ 2015 and 2022 x64, Visual C++ 2015 and 2022 x86. Restart your PC after installation. Run as administrator. Right-click the game executable. Select Run as administrator. Also try setting this permanently in Properties Compatibility. 4. Verify online fix files exist. Open the game folder and make sure files such as onlinefix64.dll, onlinefix.uni, Steam API-related DLLs are present. If they are missing, the game installation is incomplete. 5. Re-extract the game. Corrupted extraction is a common cause. Delete the current game folder. Extract the archive again using WinRAR or 7-zip. Extract directly to a simple path, such as you can see the code in our conversation history. Avoid desktop, downloads, or OneDrive folders. 6. Install Steam and keep it running. Some online fix versions require Steam to be installed, logged in, running in the background. Launch Steam before starting the game. 7. Move the game out of protected folders. Do not run the game from desktop, downloads, program files. Use a custom folder like you can see the code in our conversation history. 8. Check Windows Defender controlled folder access. If enabled, Windows Security ransomware protection. Turn off controlled folder access temporarily. Try launching the game again. 9. Reinstall the online fix files. If the error appeared after an update or after antivirus removed files, replace the online fix files with a fresh copy from the same release package you originally installed. 10. Restart network services, open command prompt as administrator, and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart the PC afterward. If the error still appears, tell me Windows 10 or Windows 11,